this is how it looks with blue sky. Then look at the cool location of this one, Sky Castle Tea House. It's almost like Amalfi. And then the beautiful hillside with pink flowers and pink local ladies enjoying the sunny morning. And then here the flowers, azaleas and cherry apricot. More beautiful lit up house. Just like Santorini or Amalfi, these coastal cities have the buildings almost falling on top of you, and it's so charming. See how they stick out? It's almost as if they will fall down. How pretty how this guardrail is in bamboo color and bamboo shape. It blends so nicely with the nature. And people are constantly keeping this place clean. Like even in the evening, and now everywhere I see these elderly persons who are cleaning and cleaning. What a cheerful morning, really. Yeah. Even a Darth Vader mask. So nice to see the people getting ready for the business day, hoping that they will make some sales. Yes, oh yeah, yesterday I bought here this stuff because people were lining up. It was weird, but good taste actually. So this is Jiufen Old Street. We were walking it yesterday too, but I just didn't know because there is another street, so I wasn't sure. But yeah, kind of like mission accomplished. So sad. How cool this one is! That's why I brought it here around the corner. What is this? Taiwan ocarina? Why? Taiwan ocarina. Scooter everywhere. So this is new territory. We didn't walk all the way to here yesterday. I hope we are not gonna go starving again today. No, we gotta go to the coffee. Look, this one also has such a nice view over the valley. Oh. I think we made it here. At the beginning of the street. Old street, mission accomplished. Yo, yesterday people were lining up here, so now we got one. I really wonder what's inside. This is like a secret gift shopping something, except that I paid for. Genius! I found the shortcut. Remember the garden? This is the shortest way home. Just as I bought the food. And now here it's quiet, beautiful. No shops, no people, in the green. Let's see what I bought. So what do you think is inside this thing? Very sticky. Again, taro. For some reason, taro root is very popular here. It's gonna keep me alive until getting home. But yeah, no idea what this stuff is. It's not sweet. At least that. Chewy. And there's possibly pieces of vegetable inside. Okay. Whatever. We're gonna go home, check out, and then go to the tea house. Hey baby. I'm sorry, I just ate that shit and I have nothing to give you. That taro thingy. I finished it. And now I don't have anything for you. And see, the grandpa that we saw down about an hour ago made his way all the way to here. Or maybe it's a different one.